Have you ever wondered how you can be a more productive homemaker? I got you. Here are 10 tips to boost your productivity as a homemaker. First, you're going to want to create a routine and stick to it. Productive homemakers have routines, so be sure that you have a routine every single day. Preferably a morning routine, afternoon routine, and evening routine. They're super duper handy and keep your life structured. Use what works best for you and your family. Be sure that you have a routine and use it every single day to maximize your productivity. Another thing that productive homemakers do is we meal plan. Be sure to meal plan at least weekly so that you can get the most bang for your buck and you don't have to waste any time thinking about what you will feed your family. Meal planning will not only help you to save money, but it will also help you to save time because you know exactly what you're going to be making for your family the whole entire week. Now, if that is a little bit too structured for you, then here's a little hack for you. Think of 7 meals that you're likely to want throughout the week. And the morning of, just choose one of those meals that you would designate for dinner for your family. That way, it will feel like you're choosing it out of a fun menu and it still won't lead to any food or money waste. Try it today for a fun way to look at meal planning. If you're interested in meal planning but don't know where to start, fear not. This one is for you. All you have to do is write down what you're eating for dinner every single night. Start from today. And in 7 days, you have a 7-day meal plan. And in a month, you'll have a full month worth of meals that you can choose from. This is an easy way that you can start preparing a meal. Keep a chore chart. A chore chart will ensure that all of the chores are getting done throughout the house. If you delegate chores in your home, you might want to do a color code system so that way everybody knows what they need to do and when they need to do it. If you're doing your chores solo, be sure to have a way to track these chores, such as a cleaning checklist or some other method that might work for you or your boost your productivity as a homemaker. Be sure to have a calendar. Have a calendar and look at it every single day. That way you can keep track of what is going on. Yes, you may have a planner as well, which by the way, I do have one for under $20 if you're interested. And it is divided by quarters, so it is not too late to get it. However, if you have a wall calendar, it is also easy for your family to see what is going on that day as well. That way we won't double book ourselves and everyone will know what is going on when, which will allow for more productivity. To be a more productive homemaker, you're going to want to keep on top of your laundry. I recommend doing one load a day because it is super simple and you don't have too much to fold and put away at the same time. Remember, the laundry is not complete until you finish folding and putting away your clothes. So if you choose to do too many loads at once, it might get too overwhelming to fold the clothes. However, if that works best for you, do it because at the end of the day, the best plan is the one that works for you. But as for me and my home, we do one load a day to keep the laundry monster away. If you're liking this video so far, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and consider subscribing and turning on your notification bell if you like videos like this so you don't miss a single one. The habit of productive homemakers is that we declutter and organize. When you declutter and organize your home, it causes less stress and more productivity because you don't have to waste hours and hours looking for something or waste money buying something that you might already have. When you have things decluttered and organized, you can use your time more efficiently doing other things rather than locating each item. And also, it cuts down on stress, frustration, and overwhelm. So it's a win-win. Another way to make sure you're boosting your productivity as a homemaker is to start the night before. Instead of feeling overwhelmed and frazzled in the morning, pack up your items the day before. Look at your calendar, look at the weather, see everything that might be needed for your current temperature and events. Gather all those things the night before for a less overwhelmed and more productive morning. The fact that you don't have to look for these items in the morning will open up more free time to get other things done, thus increasing your productivity as a homemaker. Next, be sure to have a grocery list. In order to boost your productivity as a homemaker, have a grocery list. Remember that meal plan we made earlier? You're going to look at the items that you don't have in your home, and with that list, you're going to go to the supermarket and stick to it. You don't necessarily have to walk in and go through all the aisles. You can do curbside pickup if your budget allows, but do what works for your budget and your family. But when you do have a list, you're likely to keep on track of the budget and not fall into other temptations at the grocery store. Whether you're going in or going curbside or shopping fully online, a list will help keep you on track and maximize your product lists. list of errands you need to run that week. Think of everything you need to do that coming week. And hopefully in one day you can get it done. If not, maximum 2 days. The Fly Lady system does have focus where we do have an errand day. So I might be a little biased, but I personally recommend choosing one day to do all the errands and get it over with. I know it's difficult with moms of littles. Believe me, I know. Every single stop I have to take the boys out of the car seat, put them into the stroller or the shopping cart, go in the store, come back out, and do it all over again and again and again. But it is only the one time a week that I have to do it. When you keep a list of the things that you need to do, it is more likely that you can get them all done, and it will likely take less time than you think. Either way, it is a big boost to your productivity as a homemaker. Use a budget. Productive homemakers use and stick to a budget. Be sure that you're having a budget every single month and that you're checking in on it every single week. Not only will it help you to be more productive as you're not wasting your resources as a homemaker, but it can also help improve your family finances. I know most homemakers, like myself, only have a one income household. And yes, I know I am a YouTuber, but I only have a one income household because I am not yet monetized. However, you can help to change that by subscribing right now and sharing this video to your loved ones. It helps me more than you know. It helps YouTube see that people are interested in this video and they will push out my content to more people, and God willing, be monetized soon. So please help me if you can in that manner. It is absolutely for free and it doesn't cost you much time, and it will help my family and I more than you can imagine. I do get to do some side hustles in order to bring in a little bit of change, and if you want to know what those are, check out this video right here so that you too may be able to make some extra income as a homemaker. And I'll see you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.